ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟೀಚರ್ ಎಲಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 2022ಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೆಡಗೋಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವು MCQಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ MCQಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಗಾಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ TETಗಾಗಿ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಪೇಪರ್ 2ಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ 10 ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ 10 ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 10 ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ 10 ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ PDF ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ 10 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಕೇವಲ ನಿಮಗೆ 300 ರುಪೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇ ಅಥವಾ ಫೋನ್ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ಸನ್ನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, ದಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ all its chapters dash interesting the students as well as the instructor dash in agreement about it. So here right answer is option B. This book including all its chapters are interesting, the students as well as the instructor are agreement about it. So option B is the right answer. Question number 2, consider the following sentences. First one, I woke up from sleep. Option 2, I woke up from sleep. Option 3, I was woken up from sleep. Option 4, I was wakened up from sleep. Which of the above statements are grammatically correct here? Yes, here the right answer is option C. 1 and 2 are correct. I woke up from sleep is correct. Then third one, I was woken up from sleep is correct. So both the statements are right. Question number 3, choose the most appropriate set of words from the options given below to complete the following sentence. Dash dash is a will, dash is a way. So here the correct statement is, where there is a will there is a way. But here you have to choose the correct spellings in the given options. The right answer is option C, where there is a will there is a way. Question number 4, the policeman asked the victim of a theft, what did you dash? Option A, lose, LOOSE. Second option B, lose, LOSE. Loss, LOUSE. Here the right answer is option B, lose, LOSE. The policeman asked the victim of a theft, what did you lose? Question number 5, which of the following options is the closest in meaning to the phrase underlined in the sentence below? It is fascinating to see life forms cope with varied environmental conditions. Option A, adopt to. Option B, adapt to. Option C, adapt in. Option D, accept with. Yes, here the correct answer is option B, adapt to. This question number 6, it's the first time I dash seafood in my life. Option A, eat. Option B, eaten. Option C, have eaten. Option D, had eaten. Yes, it's the first time I have eaten seafood in my life. So option C is the correct answer. Yes, present perfect tense. Question number 7, Catherine has finished her work, now she is dash home. Option A, going home. Option B, going to home. Option C, going to the home. Option D, going towards the home. Yes, here the correct answer is option A, Catherine has finished her work, now she is going home. Question number 8, which of the following words is plural? Option A, index. Option B, analysis. Option C, crisis. Option D, criteria. Yes, here the plural is criteria. Option 4 is correct. Question number 9, after Rajendra Chola returned from his voyage to Indonesia, he dashed to visit the temple in Tanjavur. Option A, was wishing. Option B, is wishing. Option C, wished. Option D, had wished. After Rajendra Chola returned from his voyage to Indonesia, he wished to visit temple in Tanjavur. Option C is correct here. Question number 10, I do not think you know the case well enough to have opinions. Having said that, I agree with your other point. What does the phrase having said that mean in the given text? Option A, has opposed to what I have said. Option B, despite what I have said. Option C, in addition to what I have said. Option D, contrary to what I have said. Here the correct answer is option B, despite what I have said. Question number 11. Nobody knows how the Indian cricket team is going to cope with the difficult and seamer friendly wickets in Australia. Choose the option which is closest in the meaning to the underlined phrase in the above sentence. Option A, put up with. Option B, put in with. Option C, put down to. Option D, put up against. Here the correct answer is option A, put up with. Nobody knows how the Indian cricket team is going to cope with difficult and seamer friendly wickets in Australia. Here the closest meaning to cope with is put up with. Question number 12. Jofra Archer, the England fast bowler, is dashed and accurate. Option A, more fast. Option B, faster. Option C, less fast. Option D, more faster. Yes, here the correct answer is option D, more faster. Jofra Archer, the England fast bowler, he is more faster than accurate. Question number 13. Which of the following statements is not correct with reference to verbs? Option A, gerund is a verbal that acts as an adjective in sentence. Option B, auxiliary verbs are used together with the main verb to show the verb's tense, number, or to form a negative or a question. Option C, with modal verbs we use the base form of the main verb, infinitive form without to. Option D, an adverb usually intervenes the helping verb and the main verb in a sentence. Here the correct, yes, which of the following is not correct with reference to verb? Option A, gerund is a verbal that acts as an adjective in sentence. This statement is not correct here. So option A is right answer. Question number 14. Which is the meaning of meta-linguistic? Option A, capacity to think and talk about non-language. Option B, capacity to produce distinctive sounds. Option C, ability to learn language. Option D, understanding the mapping principle of sounds and meaning. Yes, here the correct answer is option A, capacity to think and talk about a language is the meaning of meta-linguistic. Question number 15. The most effective tool to assess values and attitude of learner is? Yes, the very effective method to evaluate values and attitude of learners. Option A, NCERT record. Option B, portfolio. Option C, unit test. Option D, summative test. Here the correct answer is option B, portfolio is the right answer. Question number 16. Has English teacher, after completing a chapter from the textbook, ask questions based on the text too? Option A, to maintain the class discipline. Option B, to keep students busy as the chapter is complete. Option C, attract students' attention. Option D, know their comprehension. Here a English teacher, after completing the chapter, is going to ask questions from the textbook because he want to check the comprehension level of the student. So option D is the right answer. Question number 17. How can a person correctly communicate? Option A by speaking. Option B, through email. Option C, by sending text message. Option D, all of the above. Here a person can correctly communicate with all of these. So option D is the right answer. Question number 18. What is communication without words? Option A, there is no communication without words. Option B, non-verbal communication. Option C, telepathy. Option D, sign language. Here communication without words means it is a non-verbal communication. So in non-verbal communication we don't use words. Yes, we can use facial expressions, gestures and all. So question number 19. As a sympathetic listener, you should consider the message from the point of view of option A, audience. Option B, speaker. Option C, others. Option D, yourself. As a sympathetic listener, you should consider the message from the point of view of speaker. So option B is the correct. Question number 20. Listening and hearing refers to option A, different things. Option B, mental and physical acts respectively. Option C, the same things. Option D, a specific act versus general act. Listening and hearing, these are mental and physical acts respectively. Question number 21. Identify the sequence of language skills. Option A, listening, reading proceeds writing and speaking. Option B, listening, speaking proceeds reading and writing. Option C, speaking and writing proceeds listening and reading. Option D, speaking, listening proceeds reading and writing. Here the correct answer is option B. Correct sequence of language skill is listening, speaking proceeds reading and writing. Question number 22. Her thinking leans dash democracy. Option A, with. Option B, towards. Option C, for. Option D, none of these. Her thinking leans towards democracy. So option B is correct. Question number 23. Dash his principles. He has to be very careful. Option A, with regard to. Option B, with regard on. Option C, with regard to. Option D, none of these. Here the correct answer is option C, with regard to. With regard to his principles, he has to be very careful. Question number 24. Learning a language is a option A, instant process. Option B, gradual process. Option C, last process. Option D, all of the above. Yes, learning a language, it is a gradual process. So option B is correct answer. Question number 25. The main purpose of teaching of a language is option A, to acquire elements of language. Option B, express one's ideas. Option C, develop communicative competency. Option D, to master its grammar and vocabulary. Yes, here the correct answer is option C, develop communicative competency. The main purpose of teaching of language is to develop communicative competency. Question number 26. I dash never seen such a picture before. Option A, did. Option B, was. Option C, have. Option D, has. Yes, here the correct answer is option C, have. I have never seen such a picture before. Question number 27. She dash in the sun for 1 hour. Option A, sitting. Option B, has been sitting. Option C, has been sit. Option D, has sit. The right answer is option B. She has been sitting in the sun for 1 hour. Question number 28. He was seen dash to the school. Option A, went. Option B, going. Option C, gone. Option D, go. Here the correct answer is option B. He was seen going to the school. Question number 29. The train dash has passed as the bus. Went, running, moves, going. Yes, the train moves has passed as the bus. The last question. Building has been built dash the new plan. Accordance to, in accordance with, for, about. Here the correct answer is building has been built in accordance with the new plan. Okay friends, this is about our today's session. If you are preparing for Karnataka TET 2022 paper 1 and paper 2, here 10 mock tests we are providing and with solution PDF. If you want to join, you can contact these numbers. You can pay by using Google Pay or Phone Pay. Then you can send a screenshot. Then you can attend the test. Yes, I wish all the best to all. Thank you.